The classes are very varied. There's a lot of material that you need to know, science and math and stuff like that, but it's also very practical. So we have a lab where we actually make food and discuss the points of nutrition and stuff like that, and actually make the stuff and eat it.
So the idea from the program is that we're giving them baseline competencies to enter the workforce. In their first year, they'll take courses such as culinary skills, so doing the very basics of food prep, and so learning their way around a kitchen. And then in their second semester, they'll move on to applying that knowledge still in the culinary lab, but modifying recipes to be healthier.
There's a lot of different profs. Most of them are registered dietitians. So they're really great resources, really good references to have in the future, and they all have different career paths as dietitians, so they let you see the different paths that you can go down rather than just like one particular path, and you can kind of venture out and decide what you want to do.
The labs are great. They're huge and they have everything that you couldn't imagine. So when we go into cooking class, it's set up like a commercial kitchen, and you have all the commercial kitchen equipment. It's really quite neat.